Best cheap outdoor sauna. Number 1. Radiant. Cheap outdoor sauna. Eastern hemlock scar-resistant and hypoallergenic properties make it the ideal wood for sauna construction. This durable wood is an excellent insulator, keeping your heat contained within your sauna room. 9 low EMF carbon heaters are strategically positioned to provide a continuous curtain of restorative warmth. Far infrared heating permeates deep into your body, increasing your core temperature and relieving muscle and joint pain. Add luxurious relaxation to your basement, gym, or master bathroom. Real Canadian hemlock adds a natural sophistication to your home decor. And you'll enjoy crisp, clear sound thanks to an integrated audio system. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Aleco. Cheap outdoor sauna. This set of replacement roof shingles are designed specifically for Aleco cedar and pine 93 by 72 by 75 inch barrel saunas. This bitumen shingle roof helps extend the life of your outdoor sauna by providing rain and UV protection. You can easily replace your Aleco shingle roof without needing to hire professional help. Gray shingles add an elegant touch to enhance the overall aesthetic of your barrel sauna. Aleco sauna replacement roof shingles provide long-lasting quality. We stand behind the Amazon 30-day money-back guarantee. Customer service available MF to assist with delivery, install, and tech support needs. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Kunshana. Cheap outdoor sauna. Infrared saunas for home. You want a sauna but don't have enough space indoors? The Kunshana outdoor sauna is significantly more attractive, withstanding temperatures of -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be used outdoors or indoors. Infrared sauna. Far infrared rays penetrate deep into the body's subcutaneous tissues instead of just heating the surface. Infrared saunas can relieve stiffness and joint pain, promote blood circulation and sleep. It also has significant effects on weight loss and improving skin tone. Outdoor far infrared sauna constructed from natural basswood wood. Sauna features tongue and groove construction for easy installation. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Sauna. Cheap outdoor sauna. Our far infrared sauna home is constructed with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood, high temperature resistance and not easy to deform. A beautiful and durable wood that serves as an excellent heat insulator. Its glass is tempered for reliable longevity. The heating plate of the infrared sauna room is using far infrared graphene heating plate, which releases far infrared heat through heating. It can play a warming reaction, refine water molecules, activate cells, and promoting metabolism. Lowers blood pressure, detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Yabico. Cheap outdoor sauna. 4-person home sauna interior space size, body length, seat carrying 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, top ceiling vent. The outdoor sauna can withstand most outdoor temperatures all year round, can also be used as an indoor sauna. The materials of the outdoor sauna are all taken from the hemlock on the eastern coast of Quebec, Canada, with strong waterproof performance, high temperature resistance and low temperature resistance. Use safe and environmentally friendly water-based paint, non-toxic odorless, no harm to the body. As you relax in this luxurious sauna, your body works to maintain body temperature, burn calories and slim down your waist. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.